So I really feel like called to come on and talk about this with y'all because I really don't even know. I just be feeling like I need to say stuff to y'all that I can't say to other people in my life at this current moment. But do y'all ever feel like it'd be a humbling moment for people when they realize God is always in control? Because there are people who really think they are God. And like, it took me a long time to humble even myself, okay? That's why I always know this lesson is so very important. Like, you are not God, you are of Him or her, whatever you feel, universe, whoever you be praying to and talking to, okay? You are not it, you are of it. And like, those who wish ill will on others' blessings, like, will literally never receive their own. And it took me 31, I'm 31 now, to realize you can't be a hating asshole and expect to receive what you feel is called upon for you. You can't be jealous, envious, deceitful, spiteful. Like, you can't be those things and then be looking around the corner like, oh, where my blessing at though? Like, you can't do that and then expect to come out on top. Yeah, you're not God. You're just of Him, meant to have a human experience here to relearn all the things that you forgot the other times. And if you pass the test that you didn't pass the last time, oh, there's a big old blessing with your name on it, okay? But never forget, even after you receive that blessing, that He can still humble you. Okay? I just felt like somebody needs to hear that. Because I know I be reminding myself that every day. And it's hard out here for people. You just don't know what people be going through. So be kind and do unto others as you want done to yourself. Amen. Amen. Happy Tuesday, family. Love y'all. Bye.